In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Siri on your Apple TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Siri can help you browse the features available on your Apple TV with ease, and it is going to be available on any model. To use Siri on your Apple TV, you will typically interact with it through your Siri remote or a connected home pod. So I'm going to be primarily talking about how to do it using the Siri remote. Whenever you go into any sort of search function or any function where you see this message, hold the microphone icon to dictate, you can initiate Siri. So whenever you see this tiny microphone icon, you will be able to use Siri for a particular action. So all that you have to do now is to press and hold the Siri button available on the side of your remote. So this is where it is going to be. So press and hold after you locate the Siri button and speak your request. So while holding down the button, clearly speak your command or question into the microphone on the remote. Once you have finished speaking, release the Siri button. Siri will process your request and display the results. Let's say, for example, you wanted to look for a particular thing here. You just start pressing the button and then you say it out loud. Siri will try to write down what you said, and as long as you were clear and loud, it is going to be reflected here. So you can search for content. For example, I want to watch this movie. I want to find movies with the horror genre. I want to search for this particular actor's movies. You can control playback. You can say stuff like play, pause, rewind, fast forward. You can open applications, get information, go into the control settings, and so on. There's a lot to explore, and Siri will always be used whenever you press and hold this button. While pressing it down, speak your command and Siri will be able to process your request. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Siri on Apple TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.